Hello everyone, welcome to Shopify Success Blueprint course. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we are starting an exciting journey where I will guide you through every step of building and managing your Shopify store from setup to customization and beyond. In this video series, I will walking you through the entire process so you will have all the tools you need to succeed. Let me give you a quick overview of what we will cover throughout the course. We will cover creating Shopify store, changing the store name, overview of store settings, adding shipping options, setting up payment methods, configuring navigations, adding products and details and collections, setting up discount for your customers, customizing your theme, adding domain, and choosing the right plan. Alright, let's dive into creating your Shopify store. First, head over to shopify.com. You will see the option to start a free trial. Don't worry, no payment details are needed right away, so this is a perfect time to explore. Go ahead and sign up using your social login, or simply you can enter your email and click continue with email. After that, create a password and your first and last name. Then hit create a Shopify account. Make sure your password is strong. It should have at least 8 characters, including capital letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Once you have done, your Shopify account will be created and you have seen a single button to create your new store with all the details you have provided. Just click on it. Now you have a few optional steps where Shopify will ask you some basic information about your business. You can skip these steps if you want, but I recommend it to fill them out. Let's fill in the details. You can select I want to sell a product online and click next. Then choose I'm just starting for the business stage, and then select buy product and ship them myself. Or you can choose the different option if you are selling digital products, offering any services, or doing some drop shipping. Then finally click on the button get started. Before you select a plan, here's a quick overview. Shopify offers several plans depending on your needs. You don't have to choose anyone yet. You can skip this step for now. The basic plan is $25 a month and give you 1 staff account, 10 inventory locations, and 24/7 supports, up to 3 markets, and POS Lite. The Shopify plan is $65 with up to 5 staff accounts, and it's including all the features of the basic plan. The advanced plan is $399 a month, offering 15 accounts, enhance the analytics, and more supports. Finally, the last, the Shopify Plus plan, which includes everything from the advanced plan, but also give you a 200 inventory locations, unlimited staff accounts, wholesale features, and advanced checkout customization. Great! Now your store is created and you have landing on your Shopify dashboard. Shopify will recommend a few steps to get you started, such as adding product, changes your store name, customizing your online stores, setting up shipping and payment providers, and even testing an order. We will walk through each of these steps in details throughout this course. In the next video, we will start by learning how to change your store name. This is where your Shopify journey truly begins. Thank you.